Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today, I'm going to teach you how to crochet the V-stitch. The V-stitch is a really simple, easy stitch to do, and it creates a lovely, open, lacy, lightweight fabric and texture. For this tutorial, we are going to be using some We Crochet woolen cotton yarn. I've just got some scrap yarn here. This is a DK weight Pima cotton merino wool blend. It's really nice. It's one of their newer yarns. I'll link it in the description. I also have an H 5mm crochet hook. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook, and I'll link that in the description as well. This V-stitch is used in my Spring Breeze sweater blouse pattern, so I'm going to link that for you as well if you want to work on this and try it out. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, to start our these stitches, I am going to chain 16. You'll want to chain an even number. The way I do it, I like to have a double crochet on each end. So depending on what you're making, you may not be chaining an even number, but for this, we are going to chain 16, which is an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I'm going to turn it around and work in my back bump, and I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain from my hook. And then I am going to skip 1 chain, and I'm going to do a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that next chain. So I've created a V-stitch. You can see the V right there. Now I'm going to skip another one and do the same thing. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. More yarn. Okay, so now we have 2 V-stitches, and I'm going to work that all the way across. Skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the next. Skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet in my last stitch. So here is what my first row looks like. I've got a bunch of double crochets, V-stitches all the way across, and then I have 1 double crochet on each end. So for row 2, I am going to chain 2, and that's going to count as my first double crochet. So now for my V-stitches, I'm going to be working them into the chain 1 of the previous row's V-stitches. So let me show you how that's done. I'm going to double crochet it into that chain 1, or around that chain 1, double crochet. So you're working right into the V-stitch. And then I'm going to be skipping these 2 double crochets if you want to think of it that way, but I find it easier to just work 1 V-stitch in each chain 1 space of your V-stitches below. So you don't have to really worry about how many stitches you're skipping. You're just double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the chain 1 space from 1 row below. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet all the way across. All right, we're at the end, so I'm going to work one double. I'm going to skip over that last double crochet of the V-stitch, and I'm going to do one double crochet in my last stitch. So there you go. That's how you work your V-stitches into the previous row's V-stitches. And from here until however long you want, whether you're making a gauge swatch or whatever, you will repeat row 2. So we're going to do the same thing, chain 2, turn our work. We're going to work one V-stitch in the chain 1 space of each V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then in the next V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and finish out this row and repeat row 2 for a few more rounds so we have a good swatch that you can see. And then I'll show you what it looks like. I want to point out before I move on, this chain 2 from the previous row, from row 2, you're going to work your last double crochet right in the top. Whoops, not there. Right in the top of your chain 2. So once you worked row 2, you'll have that starting chain 2 that counts as a double crochet. Just work right into the top of it for your last double crochet of the row. All right, I've worked up some more rows. You can see the V-stitches. You can see the nice pattern it creates. It's a nice little open stitch work, very simple, and just looks really nice. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.